Good day, this is Midshipman Alvin Deluxino BSMTS 32 Irregular, and today I will be having my oral assessment about marine insurance. So, what is marine insurance? A simple definition of marine insurance is protection against loss. It is an assurance that the goods that are dispatched from the country of origin to the land of destination are insured. Marine insurance covers the loss and damage of ships, cargo, terminals. It includes other means of transport of goods that are acquired or transferred from the point of origin to the point of destination. Why is it marine insurance important? Marine insurance is important because this is a requirement in many export and import trade proceeding, and as well, transporters and ship owners are pretty sure that they can claim damages, especially to the mode of transportation. So make sure that your cargo or your ship are insured.
Good afternoon, sir. Midshipman Tijan Naganja, and today I'm going to discuss the why marine insurance. In insurance, it is designed to manage risks in the event of unfortunate incidents like accidents, damage to the property and environment, or loss of life. When it comes to ship, the stakes are higher as all factors are involved in the operation. Risk of losing valuable cargo or expensive ship, the risk of damage to the environment due to oil pollution, and risk of losing precious lives of seafarers due to accident. To ensure all the risks can be managed without the lack of monetary funds when needed the most, different maritime insurances are made compulsory for ship and ship owners to take. Only post that the ISM can be implemented on ship. Different type of marine insurance. Hull insurance. Hull insurance mainly caters to the torso and hull of the vessel along with all the articles and pieces of fortunate on the ship. This type of marine insurance is mostly taken out by the owner of the ship to avoid any loss to the vessel in case of any mishap occurring. Machinery insurances. All the essential machinery are covered under this insurance, and in case of any operational damage, claims can be compensated by approval by the surveyor. The above two insurances also come as under hull and machinery. The H&M insurance can also be extended to cover war risk cover and strike over. Strike in port may lead to delay, increase in cost, protection and indemnity. This insurance is provided by P&I Club, which is Ship Owners Mutual Insurance, covering the liabilities to the third party in risks which are not covered elsewhere in standard H&M other policies. Protection risks that are connected with owners of the vessel accrued claims. Marine cargo insurance. Cargo insurance caters specially to the marine cargo carried by ship and also pertains to the belongings of ship voyage. It protects the cargo owner against damage or loss of cargo due to ship accident or due to delay in the voyage or unloading. Marine cargo insurance as third-party liability covering the damage to the port, ship, or other transport forms, rail or truck, resulted from the dangerous cargo carried by them.
This is Midshipman Jonathan Laman, and I'm going to tackle about the principle of marine insurance. So first is the principle of good faith. Parties demand an absolute trust on the part of both the insurer and the guaranteed. Next is the principle of proximate cause. The proximate cause is not adjacent in time. Also, it is inefficient. Nevertheless, it is definitive and adequate cause of loss. Third is the principle of insurable interest. Any object presented as a marine risk and assured covering the principle of insurable interest. Next is the insurance of goods. Both should have the legal relevance. Also, a series of devoted called INCO terms to respectfully assign the insurance of good to each party. Next is the principle of indemnity. The insurance extended to the parties will only be applicable to the loss. Lastly, the principle of contribution. Sometimes the risk coverage for goods has more than one insurer. In such cases, the amount has to be fairly distributed amongst the insurers.
Good day, sir. My name is Midshipman Kenneth L. Maniscan, BSMT S32, and I will discuss the three major lines in marine insurance. Number 1, marine cargo. This covers goods, property, and/or merchandise in transits, whether on land, sea, or air. The standards coverage provided under the marine cargo insurance policy are physical loss or damage to insured goods, which may result in either total loss, actual or constructive, to the insured's property, or partial damage known as particular average. Expenses to prevent or reduce loss, shoe and or labor. Forwarding charges for goods discharged short or destination as a result of an insured peril. General average of or the sacrifice of the one person goods in order to save the venture. The sacrifice will be made good by those whose goods are saved. The marine cargo policy may be extended to accommodate the following: marine open policy, inland marine or truck race coverage, special coverage for project cargo including consequential loss. Container van insurance covers specially designed for certain commodities, commodity losses, frozen meat, frozen food, coal, oil, rubber, etc. Number 2, hull and machinery. This insurance covers ships or vessels, their hull, machinery, and equipment, including liability arising from collision with other vessel. Its standards coverage are physical loss or damage to a ship's hull, machinery, or equipment, which may result in either total loss, actual or constructive, to the insured's property, or partial damage, known as particular average. Expenses to prevent or reduce loss, shoe or labor salvage charges. General average contribution. Liability arising from collision with other vessel. Possible extension of coverage for this line are war and strike risks and various acts of civil disturbance. Additional perils clauses providing extended cover for a vessel engines and machinery. Cost for sighting of a ship's bottom, even in event of a potential claim. The products under the hull and machinery insurance are builder's risk. It covers for the loss or damage to the vessel while under construction, including materials which are not made yet on board the ship and the time of loss. Mortgage interest. This serves the protect of the innocent montage who suffers financial loss arising from some act or omission of the montage, which prevent claiming under normal marine, war and strikes protection. And indemnity insures. Port risk covers. It provides cover for vessel confirmed to a port or with limited navigation. Yacht insurance. Marina or yacht club insurance. Limited coverage, name peril basis. Total loss only coverage. Number 3, ship's owner's liability. Protection and indemnity. Protects the ship's owner or manager from any legal liability which he may incur in operation or a ship.
Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Raymond B. Labatos. Today, I'm going to discuss clauses cover marine insurance. So, the marine insurance coverage provided by marine insurance can be understood by going through the rest handled by the insurance policies loaded with various marine insurance clauses. Institute Cargo Clause C provided basic coverage and includes a restricted less of rest cover. It covers the shipment against events such as fire, discharge of cargo in case of distress, explosion, accidents like sinking, capsizing, derailment, collision, etc. So, in terms and conditions of marine insurance coverage, these three types of marine insurance clauses institute cargo clauses A, B, and C. Clause A provides maximum coverage. Clause C provides basic risk coverage. How marine insurance works. Marine insurance base transfers the liability of goods from the parties and intermediaries involved to the insurance company. The legal liability of the intermediaries handling of the goods limited to begin with. The exporter, instead of bearing the sole responsibility of goods, can buy an insurance policy and get marine insurance coverage for the exported goods against any possible loss or damage. To get marine insurance and avoid insurance claims, ensure the following. Number 1. Packing of goods should be done keeping in mind their safety during loading and unloading. Number 2. Packing should be good enough to withstand nature hazard to the best extent possible. Number 3. Keep in mind the possibility of clumsy handling or the thief when packaging goods. Thank you, sir.